This is Tony Victor, and in this short video series, I'll be speaking about the fourth way. First derived by G.I. Gurdjieff, then his student Peter Ouspensky, and now carried on by many others, including Sir Francis Rolles, in this material here. In the book Ouspensky's Fourth Way, Sir Francis Rolles searches out a person to help him continue his work and teach him in the absence of Peter Ouspensky following his death. In 1961, when Francis Rolles met the then Shankaracharya of North India, H. Santananda Saraswati, he laid out a detailed exposition of Ouspensky's system and asked if the practice in the Advaita Vedanta tradition was the same as the fourth way. The Shankaracharya replied, "Yes, there couldn't possibly be any difference. He says that in his system they take from all three sources. In the system or way of action, they purify the heart so as to perform any action and yet be detached from it. The emotional way is the way of devotion and service. With that, an atmosphere within is created so as to serve the Absolute and receive His grace. The third, intellectual way, is to make reason work and clarify all the questions met with on the way. And then if everything is brought together, we hope we are on the way of understanding, the fourth way." Thanks for listening. Please follow, like, subscribe on my YouTube channel and Instagram, TikTok. Please stay in touch and check out my upcoming book and crowdfunding project. Thanks again. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.